Let's just do a quick tour of the bike. Of course, it has the things you expect, like a handlebar. Comes with a bell. Over here is the ignition key and the throttle, and then left and right brakes. It has disc brakes on the front and the back. There are also mud flaps on the front and the back, and a built-in cargo rack. It even has the water bottle cage connection points. There's a built-in headlight and a built-in tail light. Plus it folds down and you can throw it in the back of a car. This is the battery. It says it's a 280.8 watt-hour battery, 7.8 amp hours, 36 volts. The battery has a handle on top, which folds down when you put it back on the bike. There is a key lock. In the unlock position, you can take it on and off the bike. When you put it on the bike and switch it to off, it locks it in place, and you switch it to on, and the battery starts putting out power. And then over here is the charging port. On the other side of the battery is the cable connector, which will plug up to the bike. The battery is designed so there's only one way to insert it. There's an indentation on the front side which matches the seat post, and on the other side is a little grooved slot which matches the groove channel thing here on the back of the bike frame. So if you line it up, all you have to do is figure out where the groove is, say here, and drop it down. The battery is now in place. The lock is in the unlock position. You're going to see a little metal post there. As I plug in the key, switch it to off, you'll see that it engages. And now the battery cannot be removed. And if you want to enable battery power, you flip it over to on. The power cable from the bike just plugs into this connector here. Flip the handle down, and now you're ready just to turn the battery on and turn on your bike and go. The seat post is easily adjustable with a quick release. First, we're going to put the seat back in a riding position. When this is opened up, you can raise the seat. Once you find your seat position, there are markers on the back, so you can put it in the position that you want and then just lock it in place. Makes it very easy to set it up after you've taken it out of a car. The handlebar has a similar measurement on it, and there's a quick release. You can adjust the handlebar up and down. You could also lower it all the way down to make more room when you're folding it down to take it somewhere. The foot pedals will push in and then fold down so they can flatten on both sides for when you put it in the back of a car. There is a built-in kickstand. To fold the bike up, there's a little quick release. You swing it out of the way, and then to disengage it, you have to lift up on it, and it releases a pin at the bottom, and then it will fold over. We don't want to do that right now. Let's lock it back into place. Just like how the bike folds in half, there's another quick release that you swing over and push down, and then the handlebar will fold over, and that collapses the bike down into a really small area that will fit easily in the back of a car. Let's see if we can start it up. First thing we need to do is turn on the battery. That requires a key. You put it in and switch it from off until on, and now the battery is powered up. The key is captive, so if you want to make sure you disable your bike, make sure you have your key with you. Once the battery is powered up, there's another key that goes from off to on to lights. So I'll put the key in, switch it on, and the display powers up, showing us the battery level. If you switch it from on to lights, the headlights come on. There is a front light which is surprisingly bright. There is a built-in tail light. Now on the camera it looks like it's flickering. I don't actually see that. That's just something with the frame rate of the camera. But when you squeeze the brake,